Okay, let's do one sample question using odd even check, right? I'm going to do odd even check. For that, we'll create one variable, integer number is equal to 13. Then second number will be integer. Okay, I'm going to keep one number. Then after, if number modulus by 2 is equal to 0, that means it is what? Even number. That means even number. We can print system.out.println number is even. Otherwise, else part system.out.println number is odd. So what will be the answer for this one? 13 mean it is an odd number, right? That means we should get number is odd as output. We'll compare this one and we will get the output number is odd. Then what will happen if I change this into 10? This is an even number, right? That means answer will be even. So this is how if else condition work with the odd even number check program, right? So we'll do another question. I'm going to comment this one. Now think we need to check positive and negative number. We have integer number which is equal to 20. Now I'm going to check whether this number is a positive number or negative number. If number is greater than or equal to greater than 20, greater than 0, right? On that time, we can output system.out.println positive. Then else part system.out.println number is negative. So our number is what? 20. That means it should be a positive number. Here we need to check number variable. Then output will be positive. Now I need to find largest number from the three numbers. So we'll write another program. We'll comment down this. Okay. Now think we have three variable. Integer a is equal to 10. Integer b is equal to 5. B is equal to 5. Then c is equal to 25. Now I need to find largest number. Of course, I can see the largest number is 25. But I need to find this one using a if else condition. For that we can do something like this. If a greater than or equal to greater than b and a greater than c. That means system.out.println a is larger. Otherwise, else if b greater than a and b greater than c, on that time which number is the largest number? B, right? If both conditions are true, that means b is the largest number. Println b is largest. Again, else if c is greater than a and c is greater than b, on that time we can print system.out.println c is largest number. So this is how it is working, right? Now when I run this program, this last line will print because when we check this condition a greater than b, 10 greater than 5 is true, but 10 greater than 25 is false. Then it is not going to execute this line. Then it will come to here, b greater than a, 5 greater than 10, which is false. It is not going to print this one also. After that it will come to here, 25 greater than a, true, 25 greater than b, that means 5, it is also true. We'll compare this one, it will print c is largest. So this is how you are going to use if condition when you get the basic question like this. So we'll use this if condition in the advanced program in the coming videos.